Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make turmeric night cream. Turmeric has healing properties which will help to lighten scars, reduce acne breakouts, and so many other benefits. So continue watching to find out how I make this easy night cream. I'll be making use of turmeric. Turmeric has healing properties and cosmetics benefits. It will help to treat other skin conditions. It will help to reduce any acne breakout and boost your skin healing. I'll be making use of half teaspoon of turmeric. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera will help to moisturize your skin, fight skin aging, lighten any blemish, and soothe sunburn. I'll be making use of glycerin. Glycerin will help to increase your skin hydration. It will relieve dryness, soften your skin, and allow your skin to retain moisture. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of this. I'll be making use of argan oil. This will help to protect your skin against sun damage. It has anti-aging effect. It will help to slow down skin aging process. It will make your skin soft and moisturize any dry skin. So I'm going to add some of this oil. If you don't have it, you can choose to add grapeseed oil, almond oil, any oil that will not clog your pores. I will store it in a clean container. You can store this for about 7 days.